Do you know that videos like
You
this
must
can
leave my
give
house
you
today.
millions
I
of
can't
views
take this
on
anymore.
your
Go
Facebook,
back to
on
your
TikTok, or your
parents.
Facebook
My
account?
husband,
Just
I'm
short
sorry, I'll
videos
never do
like
it
this.
again. Please
It can
take
give
my
you
children,
millions
please.
of views, and you can create these videos, short videos like this, in less than 1 minute. You can create something like this. All you need is just a perfect prompt and your images, and you start creating videos like this, and they will be talking and you'll be posting it, and you'll be getting massive engagement. Let me show you how you're going to use your smartphone and start creating videos like this, and you'll be posting them and you'll be getting massive view, and it's going to be also monetized. Let me show you how you are going to do it. So the first thing to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now on ChatGPT, this is what I gave to ChatGPT. I say I want to create 10-second video using AI. I want the video should be like an African man pushing his wife out of the room, saying, "You must leave my house today. I cannot take this anymore. Go back to your parents' house." Go back to your parent. The man throw her bag out. So this is how I want the story. I just write the story how I want the video should be. And after that, you can copy this if you need it. I'm going to leave it on my Telegram channel. Just go to my Telegram channel. You are going to see it. So if you want it. So, and ChatGPT writes me the video prompt. As you can see, this is the master image prompt, and this is the image to video prompt, because I also included here that it should write me, please. I say write video prompt and image prompt. I also include everything here with the dialogue and camera control, everything. So this is the image prompt. So to create our image, the first thing I will do is just to copy this image prompt like this. After copying it, I'll go to Google Gemini. Google Gemini here. This is the app. So let me click on create new. Then I'll click on create image, and I'm going to paste that prompt here. I'm going to paste that prompt. After pasting the prompt, I'll click on continue. So it's going to generate the image for us. So it's just going to generate the image. Now, after I generate the image, I'm going to convert the image to video. So let's give it some minutes, and it's going to generate the image. Now, this is the image. As you guys can see, this is the image here. So I just need to save the image here like this. After saving the image, I'll go back. Then after go back, the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to this AI tool that I will use to generate this video. Now I'll be using this AI tool to generate this video. So if you need this AI tool, I'm going to leave the link to this AI tool in the description of this video. So it is free. You can use it for free. If you register a new account, they are going to give you free coin, free credit, which you are going to use to start generating videos. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is just to go back to ChatGPT. And coming back to ChatGPT, as you can see, image to video prompt. So this is this here, but I don't want to copy that one. I will be copying this one here. As you can see from this motion control, I'll copy everything down here. I'm going to copy everything. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to copy it to this place. And after copying, I'll go back to the AI tool and I will paste the prompt here. After pasting the prompt, I'm going to come back to here like this, and I'll upload our image. That image will just generate right now. This is the image here. And after I upload the image, this is the image. After I upload the image, the next thing I'm going to do is to select our resolution. I'm going to put it 720. Then our duration, I'm going to put it 10 seconds. Then this is the credit, 40 credits. So you can generate this because they are going to give you up to 100 credits. If you use the link in the description of this video, then you click on create video. And as you can see, request submit, submitting request. So just give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video for you.
Go back to your parents.
My husband, I'm sorry, I'll never do it again. Please think about our children, please.
Now this is the result here. This is the result. This is the result here. Let me play the result.
You must leave my house today. I can't take this anymore. Go back to your parents.
My husband, I'm sorry, I'll never do it again. Please think about our children, please.
So that is your result. You just click on, you just bring it down here, and you are going to see download here. You can just download it and it's going to download to your phone. So this is how you are going to be creating something like this, and you'll be posting it on your page. You can create it as a series. You can create it as a series. If you can do it series 1, series 2, series 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, short by short. If you want to create it as a series and you don't know how to do it, you can chat me up. I'm going to put you through how you can do it as a series, and you can be posting it and you'll be getting engagement. Now you have seen how you are going to create video like what you just watched at the beginning of this video. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.